So it's nice. It's a little small, compact, which is nice. The negative is you can't make a large panini because if the bread is too thick, it literally at the bottom pushes the sandwich, so you'll have like the top of the sandwich just like fly off. So because this doesn't adjust like the top, you have to keep your sandwiches pretty small so you don't have an issue. Because even this, you see this, prevents it from going and adjusting to a height to where if you like to stack your sandwich, it's going to be a problem. So I just wanted to add that because now I have to buy another one because I like to stuff mine. Hope that was helpful.